Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a temple style Puliyodharai or tamarind rice. For preparing tamarind rice, we have to prepare the mix first. For this, pour some oil in a pan. To this, add 8 to 10 dry chilies. You can adjust the dry chilies according to your taste. When it slightly changes its color, you can take it out. In the same oil, we are going to roast 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of tur dal. That is 1 tablespoon of split black gram, 1 tablespoon of split chickpeas and 1 tablespoon of split pigeon peas. The color has changed, we can take this out. Next, we are going to fry 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. The methi seeds has changed its color, you can take it out. Frying part is over. Next, we are going to put everything in a mixie jar and we are going to grind it into a fine powder. Our masala powder is ready. Set this aside. Next, we are going to fry the groundnuts. This is half a cup of groundnut. The groundnuts has to change its color and the skin part will also give a split. This is ready. We can take it out now. So roasting and grinding part is over. Next, we are going to prepare the mix. Pour about 4 tablespoons of oil. To this, add 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustards pop. Then add 1 teaspoon of split black gram, that is urad dal, and 15 to 20 garlics. If the garlic is small, you can add 15 to 20. If it is big, add about 10 garlics. Now let us add the prepared masala. The masala powder has to get cooked well in this oil. Next, we are going to add half a teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves will give you a nice flavor for this rice. This is tamarind extract, a lemon-sized tamarind soaked in half a cup of water for 15 minutes and extracted. To this, add the required amount of salt. Now we are going to close and cook this until oil oozes out. This is ready, we can take it out. The oil has oozed out perfectly. At this stage, we can add the fried groundnuts. The mix is ready. This can be stored in refrigerator for about a month. Now let us mix this in the cooked rice. You can use half of this for 4 cups of cooked rice. This cooked rice should be firm. To cook the rice firm, you have to first soak the rice for half an hour and drain the water. Then add 2 cups of water for every cup of rice and pressure cook for 2 whistles. You can also use a rice cooker to cook the rice. It will give you a better texture. This is ready now. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.